So let's start the deploy containing using Kubernetes CTL scenario here, and just going to start the right now here. 5 steps of allocated to the using kubectl scenario. So first we have to launch the Kubernetes, and second step we have to kubectl run, which is the command will launch a deployment called HTTP, which will start a container based on Docker. This link, so let's command here. As you can see, the Kubernetes already starts, and the deployment HTTP was created, and you can see the kubectl from this one. We can just see the deployment we just created like 12 seconds ago. So for describes, we can use this. So then it will automatically describe what we created, the HTTP, its name, created place, namespace, status, timestamp, labels, annotations, everything, everything. So let's move to the third step. Just close expose. So in this task, we are going to follow the command to expose the container port 80, and from this command we can see, as you can see, we just bind it the 8080, and we'll be able to ping the host and see the results from this DP service from this command. So you can see this DDP 2821759659 from the host. Going to step 4, which is kubectl run and expose. So from this command, we're going to create a second HTTP service expose for port 8001. So you can see we just created HTTP expose command, and from this command we can access this, the deployment which is created from here. So if you want to get the whole image, then you can use the kubectl describe command for the HTTP expose as well. So under the covers, this post port in Docker port mapping service can result you will not see the service listers using kubectl. So you cannot see it, this HTTP exposed deployment in here. And to find details, you can see yes, I have been already displayed. From this, you can get the all information of that HTTP exposed deployment. So, so moving to the fifth step, is the final one. So it's about scale containers, and so on this task. From this, we have to scale levels to adjust the number of pods running for the particular deployment or application control for this command. Yep. So yeah, and to list the pods, you can see the 3 pods which have been creating, and to describe it, the HTTP from the last command, you can see its descriptions, information, and to make a request to the service, we'll request in different nodes processing this request. So from this command, you can process this request as well. So that's all for the start containers using kubectl scenario, and we will be moving to the other scenario, which is deploy containers using YAML. So from this, I'm going to start this, which has already 3 steps. Which first is create deployment. So we have to copy this to the dashboard, and for deployment cluster, we did copy with the command. We have to use this code here. So we command here, and its deployment object, a list of deployment objects can be obtained via kubectl get deployment source from, can be done from this command here. You can see the web packet displayed, and details of individual deployments can be output with kubectl describe deployment app 1. So you can see the status of web app 1, and we are moving to the second step, which is create services. So to To do that, we have to copy these commands to the editor. This is the dashboard. As a new service YAML, not the deployment YAML. So Kubernetes objects are deployed in a consistent way using kubectl. So deploy the service, we have to run this command. As you can see, web app is created, web one is created. So before that, details to get the details, we can see the Kubernetes and web app that we have created. Sorry, and for we can use the description can describe SVC web app one to specify the configurations. It's possible. So you can see the status of the web app one and two for the host. We are running this request, which is from web app one. So going to the step three, which is scale deployment, and as you can see from this task, we have updated the deployment by email for the increase the number of instances running. For example, the file should look like this replicas before. So to do that, to scale the number of replicas, we have to deploy the YAML file using this command. And you can see the deployment type have configured. And instantly the desired state of our cluster has been updated. So view bubble with Kubernetes kubectl get deployment command via here. And to additional spot B schedules to match the request. And you can see commands here too. And to issue a request to the bot, we'll resend in different containers processing these requests. And yes, you can see the post up here. And that's all for the deploy Kubernetes YAML definitions. And thank you.